I just wanna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh.
Isa siyang answered prayer kasi after 4 months nang kaming kinasal is dumating agad siya. So, super blessed na dumating si Lucas sa amin, and ang wish namin is lumaki siyang healthy, and yung pinaka-center niya is si God.
Nothing but good times. This is the good life.
Happy birthday, Lucas!
This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh.
Happy birthday, Lucas! Ang wish ko kay Lucas, lumaki siya na may takot sa Diyos. Tsaka God-oriented siya. Gusto namin siya na in God's faith. Nandun lagi yung takot niya kay Lord. Yung paniniwala niya kay Lord. Kaya sikapin natin na gawin ang lahat.
Yeah.
Na lumaki siya na may guidance mula sa amin at galing kay Lord.
I just wanna spend every day with you.
Happy birthday, Lucas!
Happy with the little things we do. Just keep a smile, hold your head up.
Happy birthday, Lucas! Ang aking dalangin sa Panginoon na ikaw ay maging isang mabuting bata, palasunod sa magulang, hangad ko na hanggang sa iyong paglaki, maging matagumpay ka sa lahat ng bagay, sa lahat ng sandali, at huwag mong kalilimutan ang Diyos sa iyong buhay.
Lucas, sana lumaki ka na maayos at mapalaki ka na iyong mga magulang. Sana laging healthy ang katawan mo. Paglaki mo, mag-aaral ka magaling. Happy birthday uli. God bless you.
I promise it works every time. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh,
Happy birthday,
oh.
Lucas!
Sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life.
After ng work, minimake sure namin na meron kaming time sa kanya. So, kahit late na kami,
Parang nagiging bonding natin, kasi nga busy sa work, parehas kami nagtatrabaho. So nagiging bonding natin yung mag-walking tayo sa gabi. Make sure na may bonding kaming tatlo as a family.
walking lang sa labas.
Mag-walking
Or
kami,
di
tapos
kaya
kwentuhan.
sa
Tapos dali
mall.
namin siya sa park.
Malapit lang kami sa mall eh. So, yun.
And it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the
Happy birthday, Lucas! 2 taon ka na. Kabuti ka, huwag kang masyadong makulit. Kasi hindi na ako babalik na mag-aalaga sa iyo. Happy birthday ulit. I love you.
oh, oh, oh.